Alright, here we are, fixing the lunch. Tackle Shack, Lake Livingston. This is stop number 2. Hopefully we get on them today. What time is it? I'm a little late, but it's 6:39, so I could have launched 9 minutes ago, but my starting point's like 5 minutes. So first line's in at 7 a.m. Let's get on it. Alright, so it was a slow, rough start this morning. Couldn't get nothing right. Snagging on everything. Not really seeing anything, any real life headed towards the spot. It's a little bit late to launch, but I did get, I was fishing at lines in, so I just kind of fished into my spot. Then my active target went down on me. Everything that it showed was a 45-degree bank facing me no matter what direction I was facing. So this is me trying to make adjustments to the transducer. Didn't work out, so I just was content that it was going to be a tournament without electronics. So here we go. Just buckle down and get after it. And things turn around here pretty quickly for me. We get rolling. Thank you, God. It's the first one of the day. Oh man, but I am definitely going to turn around and do a little anchor. Man, it's been a rough one. It is a keeper. That's good. It's a decent keeper too, 15. Compared to everything else I've been seeing. A bag of these could be doing good today. Alright. This is a male getting ready to bed. Adventure number 1. And this is gator territory. And I got hung up right where I cast by a gator. There he is. I said he's a little bitty one. Alright, trolling motor, you can stop. Hell, get back. Oh my God, trolling motor. Yeah, let's get away. Get this dude his face. Holy crap. Phew, enough of that. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, finally. Fish number 2. 14.75. Doing good. Hopefully you can keep them biting right there. Got lucky. It's a little 13.75 for number 3. This was the last moment I was dry. And then this. That might be the stupidest thing I've done. I thought it was like 2 foot deep here. And my pole just went in the water. So I dove in. What an idiot. Alright. Well, let's get the phone. iPhone. Thankfully it's an iPhone. Let's get the keys out. What an idiot. What an absolute idiot. Alright, so my idiot, I just dumped the rod. I thought it was 2 feet deep here. And no, apparently it's about 6 feet deep here. Was just going to, oh man,
Could this be the limit? There's no way. This has got to be another white. I don't think it's going to be what we need. But I have got onto at least a bite. Nope.
That was the limit, and here were two culls, 13.75, 14.75.
All right, great day. I'm happy with the result. We finished 5th. We were the first out of the money by 3/4 of an inch in tiebreaker. So I would have had to upgrade an inch, but we got a little 45-minute hour ride home. Stop, get us a burger. It was an amazing day. Lake Livingston is not a great bass fishing lake, so I'm extremely proud of we're getting a limit and culling. As a matter of fact, 42 anglers. I finished 5th, paid the top 4. What else? There were only 5 people to catch a limit, so I was 1 of 5 to catch a limit. Which, if you believe the hype, if you caught a limit, you were going to probably win the thing. We caught a limit and we're the first one out of the money, so that's a little funny. All right, y'all be good. Later.